Koala Meets the Birds. Little koala enters the bird zone, eyes wide with wonder. A cheerful parrot greets koala with a loud squawk. Koala laughs while the parrot tries to imitate his voice. Colorful birds circle koala, dancing in the air. Koala feeds tiny finches, they happily peck gently. A wise owl appears, offering koala a calm gaze. Owl teaches koala how birds glide in the wind. Koala spreads arms pretending to fly. Birds gather to sing together, koala listens in awe. Koala waves goodbye as the birds fly into the sky.